Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have on Mazda 3. This car have a problem in transmission before 80 light on and sometime 80 light on and gear jerking, not shifting properly. That's the problem customer told me. So when I check with my diagnosis tool, I got fault shift solenoid and then torque converter clutch stuck. Okay, so P0772 Shift solenoid E stuck on and P0742 Torque converter clutch solenoid circuit stuck on. This is the problem, that's why gear jerking and transmission not work properly, gear not shifting. Okay, so here you can see our mechanic already replaced this valve body. So here two valve for solenoid E and torque converter clutch, which is N and B, this one. Okay, so already we replaced this and then now we check in our computer. If there is no fault, that means car is fine. Now already we replace solenoid valve and torque converter clutch valve and check before there is a fault, and now here you can see there is no fault, everything is perfect, there is no light. A great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.